back on the road.
Fucking shit! Are you fucking kidding me?
What did you mean? Oh yeah, we met, I guess we met maybe 3 or 4 months before we started shooting. I wanna talk to you. Oh yeah. Holy shit.
Oh my god. Voice recognition mode is finished.
Was it something I did, something I said? Cause it's getting so cold on this side of the bed. Shot in the dark, holding my heart that started the day you left.
Go and perform your magic, sorcerer. Chapter 8. Shattered glass. How long till rendezvous, pilot? I asked, wasting no time as I came.
Lunch break. I can't go anywhere. Like, I'm not allowed to leave the structure at all.
Oh! Holy shit!
Chill out. I'm going right in there. God damn it.
They have the green light, you stupid fuck. What are you even doing?
Dude.
Lovely strange. I alone
What the fuck was that?
Close place.
That's them.
Still be up on ass, boy. I've been on a dream. I've been on a dream. Okay, good. All words so calm, I'm so proud. I can't settle down. I like options. Why?
Wasn't able to give Byron a walk. I just. Okay, I'm driving slow. The dude behind us because somebody fucking turned.
He just threw shit out of his car. What is wrong with you?
Let him pass. Yeah, I am.
What the fuck?
Oh, get him! Get him! Nice.
And Mother's Day.
And Mother's Day.
And this year, I don't know. They haven't told me anything. They're just leaving me out of the loop. Yeah.
So that you don't do any of that. You like a barbecue though?
Yeah, like a barbecue.
What about fireworks?
I don't stay up that late.